If you go to Reddit or Twitter, the number one piece of advice for new founders is cut the middleman out. The logic is simple. Sourcing agents might charge 10, 15%. If I cut them out, I save 10%. Sounds like basic math, but in the footwear industry, 10 minus 10 doesn't equal 0. It equals negative 30. I pulled the real supply chain data, so reports from QIMA, McKinsey, and the Footwear Distributors Association, and the numbers are terrifying. Going direct as a small brand may not necessarily save you money. It exposes you to what I call the newbie tax. Now, I've been to many factories. When you email a factory directly and they don't know you, you're at risk. You have no credit history and you have low volume. Factories protect themselves against this risk with a premium. Now, industry data confirms that without a sourcing partner to negotiate, pricing is often unstable, especially when you start off with and you don't have your brand recognition and a low volume. Here's what might happen. You agree on $15, you pay a deposit. 2 weeks later, you get an email. Material costs just went up. Price is now $17.50. This is the classic bait and switch. If you go direct, you don't really have much leverage. You pay it or you lose your deposit, especially when you're a small brand, a growing brand. If you work with a partner like us, we have contracts locked across 20 clients. They can't bully us because we represent their bread and butter. Trap number 2, deprioritize slots. Factories run on efficiency. They want the line moving 24/7. If Nike calls and says, I need 50,000 pairs, and you call and say, I need 300, guess who gets pushed to the back of the line? We see this in the data consistently. Lead times for small direct orders can extend by 50% during peak season. A sourcing partner aggregates your small order with 10 others, creating a block booking that the factory must respect. But the scariest number is this one, quality control. Now, a 2024 report found that 41% of factories inspected in China fail quality or compliance checks. Let that sink in. Nearly half the time, the factory gets it wrong. If you are direct, who's checking for the shoes? You? From your laptop in New York? The factory knows you aren't there, so they might slip in grade B leather or skip a reinforcement stitch. When you see a 5% defect rate with a sourcing partner versus a 40% failure rate going direct, that isn't just a stat. That's your profit margin disappearing into refunds and returns. Now, the bottom line is, I'm not saying you can never go direct. If you're doing a couple million a year and have your own team in Dongguan or where else you source from, go for it. But for everyone else, stop thinking of a sourcing partner as a middleman who takes a cut. You might want to think of them as a general contractor. You don't build a house by hiring a plumber, electrician by yourself. You hire a general contractor to ensure the blueprints are followed. That is what we do. We don't just buy the shoes. We provide a service. We engineer the supply chain so that you get the price you actually sign up for. Don't pay the newbie tax. Let's build it right.